Good morning, students. Today we will see how to control an LEDs using push buttons. For example, if you push a button, then LED should glow. If you release the button, LED should go off. Okay, Arduino board. Then I need three LEDs. So LED 1, LED 2, and LED 3. And similarly, I will be needing three push buttons. So I will write push button 1, push button 2, and push button 3. Here also I will make a use of breadboard because I need many connections. So breadboard is here. Now in breadboard I will just place the push buttons. So this is push button 1, push button let us say 2, and push button 3. Now what we have done is we have connected LEDs to pin number 8, 9 and 10. So let us say I will connect this to pin number 8, 9 and 10. So this is pin number, this is pin number 8. This is pin number connected to 9. And this is pin number connected to 10. So I have connected all the anodes of LEDs at pin number 8, 9 and 10. Now I have to connect this to ground. So what I will do is I will take one connection from ground. I will take one connection from ground and make this entire thing as ground. Now, as per breadboard, if I am giving this to ground, this entire line has become now my ground line. So I can give multiple connection of ground at this particular location. Similarly, I will connect one more 5 volt. One 5 volt I will connect to this line so that this entire line will become my supply line. I can give supply to many of the components. So now this entire line has become ground. This entire line has become positive. So what I will do is I will take one connection from here and I will connect it here. So what happens from this line, I am also making this line as ground, this entire line. And similarly from this positive, I am taking one connection and I am putting it here. That means this entire line now become positive. Okay. Now what we want to do is we have to connect this LEDs to ground. So this entire thing has been grounded. This entire line has been ground through connection from downside. So this I will do as a ground part. So it will be easy for me. So this will go to ground. This is going to ground. This will also go to ground. And this will also go to ground. So now LED connections are over. Now we have to connect the push buttons. So for push buttons, we are using pin number 2, 3 and 4. So for this push button, we have used pin number 2. So I will connect this to pin number 2 here. Then this push button is connected to pin number 3 as per our program which we have seen. So this is pin number 3 and this pin is being connected to pin number 4. Now what we need to do is we need to give supply to this power buttons also. So I will give supply from here. I have made this positive entirely. So I will connect this terminal to the positive terminal. This terminal also to the positive terminal. Now we need some resistors in between the push buttons. So I will take a resistor here. I will change the orientation. I will take the resistor. I will keep it here at this leg. I will copy these resistors. I need 3 of them. So second will be placed here and third will be placed here. And this has to be connected. The other end of the resistor has to be connected to ground. So this is ground, ground, and ground. So this completes our connection for LED using push buttons. Now I'll just copy paste the code here So I am just copy pasted the code here, whatever we have studied, and then I will put the simulation on. So there is some error. LED2. Okay, there is something missing. Let us check what is missing. Expected comma or semicolon. Okay, so here I have missed the semicolon here. So I will put a semicolon here. Then again I will start simulation. Okay, so simulation is started. So if I press this button, you can see, if I magnify this, if I press this button, first one LED1 should glow. If I press second button, LED2 should glow. If I press third button, LED3 should glow. Let us see. I am pressing this button and you can see that LED1 has glowed. If I remove this, LED will be off. When I press this button 2, LED2 is glowing. If I release this, LED2 is off. If I press this button, LED3 is glowing. If I release this, LED3 will be off. So LED1 on, LED2 on, LED3 on. Okay. This completes the program to interface LEDs with push button through Arduino. So again, coming back to our programming. If you have any doubts, you can ask. I hope you have understood the program. Thank you.